Alright viewers, welcome to this wonderful channel. For those of you who are into interviews and who are into live streaming, this is going to be very helpful to you. What are we talking about today? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use your phone to stream as main camera or external camera. Just in case you don't have this kind of camera that I'm using, you can also use your phone to record directly into your system and stream, and it will work. If you have a good phone and that the camera is very bright and enough for you to do whatever you want to do, you can stream directly from your phone to your system. You can also use it in case you're in need of two cameras and you actually have one. Instead of you going to buy an external one, you can actually use your phone to do that. It's going to be in two parts. The first part of it will be dealing with cable, and the second part of it will require something like a wireless router. So for you to start, you need two software to do this, two applications to do this. One is the driver for your phone, your ADB driver, and two is an Android application called droid cam and ADB. So let's dive into it. It's very simple and very easy. Anybody can do it. Alright, so let's dive into it. I'll take you through the process. Alright, first of all, download the Android droid cam application and the one for the PC, then double click on it to install it on the setup. Click next. I agree. And you might want to change the location, but leave it at default. I think it's okay like this. Click next. Just install it. Click next. It's quite simple. And let it run. Install this audio driver for it to communicate with the sound of your phone if you want to choose that. Install the ADB driver. I've already done mine. You can see it over there. And then connect your phone USB cable to your PC. Then go to your phone, click on settings. Then go to your developer options, look for USB debug, then click on it, click OK. Okay, you might want to go to your phone, open the droid cam on your phone, wait a while, then open the one on the system, wait a while and click start button. Wait a minute, then you might allow it on your phone if you request for you to allow it to have access to your phone, to your system. And you wait a while. You might not even need to wait on your phone. Click start, and there you have it. So if you like this video, subscribe, like and share, and click on the notification button there so that you can get more video whenever we upload any new one. Alright, so watch out for the second part of this, which will be coming tomorrow. Alright, stay blessed.